Today I'm going to be reviewing 5-star 7806 ultra-thin amplified indoor HD antenna. Here is the TV. Just quickly, there's the antenna right up there. And you can see I just have the cord. It's kind of messy. Well, let me show you how I did this. So I did things a little bit differently, a little hack that I found. We are plugged in here. Now this has power. So you have to power it, and it does come with a wall adapter, but a lot of TVs will have a USB and you can actually plug it in there and then that will power it. Now, what I don't know if that is enough power, but I think it worked. So when I scanned the channels, I got 36 channels. Now I've had 5-star antennas, their big one before, and max I got 74 on their bigger antenna, and I think 54 on a smaller one. So 36 on an internal antenna that's facing the right direction ain't too bad. Let's see what we got here. There's a channel. So these are all coming in. A lot of junk channels, but definitely a weather channel. All pretty good. Now some are going to be more HD and better looking than others, especially like PBS. Those usually come pretty good. Here's our local channel. Actually looks really good. Even Pawn Star or Hardcore Pawn. You can see there's a lot of channels here. So I'm in the St. Louis area. Definitely a lot coming up on the screen. Sorry about all the reflections here, but a definitely good idea of what you're getting. So 36 channels. Looks like most of them are coming in really nicely. So if you want a simple solution, this should work for most people. So in a rural area, you might need something more robust, but if you are in a city or suburb, I think something like this where you just put it on the window, it's going to work.